in the United States nowadays what we have is achievement testing. And those are based on the correct answer, one correct answer. And they are really bits of easy to test items, the most superficial kinds of facts too. And so children are taught tricks and words to memorize to get good test scores. And that, again, encourages the heteronomy of teachers, because teachers get to the point of saying, I don't care if children understand the mathematics they are doing, as long as they get lots of correct answers. That's all I care about, because I am manipulated by reward and punishment. And if I don't produce high test scores, I'm punished. In Arkansas, I know in mathematics, for example, that the teacher is given the answers that each child gave to each question on the mathematics part, for example. And so the teacher can know who got the correct answer without being able to justify it. And so there are standards whereby giving the right answer just does not count if children cannot explain it. And so the testing method is changing, but it's much more expensive to develop that kind of test than what we are doing now. And the teacher is treated so heteronomously that the teacher gets just a number for each test, like mathematics computation. Johnny got a score of 50 percentile. Well, the teacher cannot know what that means. So the teacher is given numbers that she cannot understand. And so the new way of testing is giving teachers the information they need so that the teacher can tell exactly what Johnny can do and cannot do. And the testing system encourages thinking and being able to explain why a certain problem was solved in a certain way. When I go into a classroom, I look for one thing, and that is to what extent are the children concentrating on what they are doing. And if they're concentrating, it means that they're being busy upstairs. They're thinking. So that's a quick evaluation that I do. And that's more an evaluation of the teacher. And if her students are all thinking, then that's really a good phenomenon. But thinking doesn't mean that children are necessarily quiet, because if they are arguing with each other, then they have to think and respond in a logical way to each other. And so if there is a serious debate going on in the classroom, that's also a good sign. And the exchange of points of view is very important in Piaget's theory. In fact, he said that science in adults was constructed through debates. When scientists come up with a new theory, their usual reaction is, okay, we're skeptical. We're going to try to redo your experiment and see if we can get the same results. And if we can, we'll agree with you. And so they have to have evidence, scientists. And I think it's the same thing in the classroom. Student who is a good student does not believe everything he is told.